What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Just riding around. I haven't ridden my Super Duke in a long time. I would say 3 weeks. So, yeah, 3 weeks or so. Because I haven't been riding. Plus, it's been raining, so it's a combination of that. But every time I do, it's just such a nice bike. Even just a slip-on. This is just a slip-on. Austin Racing V3 Mini. V3 Mini slip-on exhaust. It sounds amazing. So, for this video, I kind of want to ask the viewers. I'm sure a lot of people have a lot more riding experience than me, so I kind of want to ask about those people that are riding dirt trails and all that stuff. I'm kind of bouncing in between a 350 and a 500 EXC. So for the people that actually have this bike or that bike, I'm actually curious. What is that? I like dynoing something on the street, dynoing a car. Like, what are you guys' take on the 350 EXC-F and the 500 EXC-F? I kind of want to get into trail riding. I know I can use the 1290, but it's not really optimal, beneficial for me as a beginner to do that. I mean, I'll be scared the whole time. I'm probably gonna get over it. I'll probably, drop it a few times, all that stuff. But I kind of want to have a dedicated bike for learning. The SAS is super nice to drop, honestly. I care about all my bikes, so I care about every single bike, that even if I'm gonna drop it. So, but I'll feel less hurt dropping a 350 or a 500. Also, it's super lightweight. If you guys don't know, I'm 220 pounds, 6'2", so I sat on both of those bikes at the dealership, and I can literally pick up those bike with my arms. So it's just not saying I'm really strong, but I'm strong enough to handle the bike. I'm less intimidated by it. Let's just say that. So those of you guys that have experience with both of those, let me know what your take is. Am I gonna miss out not getting the 500, or am I just? I feel like I'm okay with just the 350, honestly. But you never know. I don't have the insight for that stuff. So, yeah, just thinking about that, bouncing back and forth. I think I'm gonna get it on my birthday in the middle of this year. I'm just saying that I'm probably not gonna do it, but it's probably gonna happen this year if I play my cards right and don't spend a lot of money. I'll probably be able to pull it off. So I'm really excited because I kind of want to get into this dirt riding hobby. I don't want to say I'm getting bored of track riding, but I feel like track riding is kind of one-dimensional, and I feel like dirt riding is a skill that you can use every day in your life. I like to ride every single day. I like to ride everywhere, camping, traveling. So I think learning how to ride on any terrain, whatever it is a beneficial skill to have, and I don't have that skill right now. I mean, I can survive, but there's some fear there, and I have to pick where I go, and I don't like that. I kind of want to ride comfortably anywhere I go. So that's my mission. That's my kind of New Year's resolution, is to learn that skill. I'm still gonna be riding track. I can't stop riding track. I'm addicted to it. I'm gonna be riding this more. I still have. I think I'm almost due for first service on this bike, and I'm probably gonna switch the tires out to some super courses when I do. So I have a couple more track days, I think, left on the stock tires on this. Probably more. I can probably still use it on the street. It's just that I kind of want the super courses. I'm gonna get some super courses on this bike. Oh, school's out, looks like. Yeah. So I'm really happy. Also, I have a couple brands that have reached out to me. I want to put a disclaimer out there that I don't really like pushing products, but I'm kind of excited when brands kind of reach out for me to review their products. I do kind of filter those out where I only there's a lot of products that have reached out to me. I just don't care about them, so I make sure to not push products just to push them. I don't like doing that because it's kind of it really clutters the channel. It's kind of redundant. So yeah, so I just kind of want to put that out there in case you guys are shocked that like I'm reviewing products here and there. I do review products here and there, and it's not, it's only products that I care about. So I really, I filter those out. So just kind of give you guys a warning that might be coming up sometime soon. It might be interesting for you guys, maybe, something that you're looking forward to. So just want to give you guys a warning that that's coming up. It looks like yeah, I haven't ridden this bike in a while, and when I do, it's intoxicating. That's the word. And all this traffic, though. Yeah, I love how this bike sounds. It just sounds awesome. This is just a muffler too. It's not even a full exhaust. Just a muffler, and it sounds great. Turn here. It's green. Yeah, so I think, just kind of rambling. I don't really have a topic today. I just kind of want to ask about the dirt bike stuff. I was actually thinking about strictly a dirt bike motorcycle, like strictly dirt bike, non-plated, but I don't like to tow my bike. I have a place where I can ride it here, so that I can ride to it. I don't have to tow it. So if I can get away with not towing the bike and just riding it, that would be much more convenient. So that's why I picked the EXC-F, because they're plated, had headlights and turn signals and stuff like that. Some nice parks in here. Yeah, so I can't wait. I'm actually very excited. I watch a lot of videos about trail riding. I really want to learn that. Kind of excited about. It feels like I'm learning how to ride all over again. Yeah, I'm gonna be a complete noob on it, and the fact that I'm actually scared and excited it's a good feeling. It's like rejuvenating your love for motorcycle or riding, like the excitement. It feels pretty good. I'm excited, but I think I honestly I feel like I'm gravitating towards the 350. Let me know if I should be getting the 500 for my size. I'm 220 pounds. I'll say, let's just say 220, 230 with gear. Of course, I'm gonna bring maybe like a backpack with me, or a tail bag or something like that, or like a rackless tail bag for like stuff, when you're trail riding. So I'll be heavy. So I don't know if it matters. Probably doesn't. I'm guessing the 500 from my research is good for a little bit of road traveling, and 350 is for sure not geared for long straightaways. So that's it, really. It's just a trade-off, of course. Weight, and I think power would be marginal in terms of power. I think it's marginal. There might be a little bit more torque on a bigger engine as usual. In terms of the size, the physical size of each bike, they look the same. When I sat on them, they pretty much feel the same. So yeah, it's kind of weird. They're the same price as a 690, or 701, which is crazy. Cause that's how you can tell how good those bikes are. They priced it. The 690 is also like 12,000. The other one's 13,000 or so, something like that. Same thing, 12,000, 13,000. Yeah, it's interesting that they priced those three bikes are almost the same price. Yeah, I'm almost thinking about like an old Yamaha WR or YZ, but yeah, the YZ is the third only version. But I really want to be streetable, because I want to ride it on the street. I don't want to tow it. I don't want to trailer it. All right, that's it. I don't want to ramble too much. I think I'm going over in circles, but that's kind of where my head's at. I know I just bought a bike, but I need an adventure bike for my day-to-day, my daily driver. You know, that's it. That's that. But I'm trying to get into another sport or another hobby, which is the third aspect of riding. So, all right, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, or that was actually pretty interesting video. Hopefully it was an interesting video. That's more of what I'm going after. But hopefully that was interesting for you guys. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next one.